In this video, I'm going to show you how do you set up or use Xfinity Hotspot on your iPhone. There are a couple of ways how you can do this. First, you can do a manual connection. So on your iPhone, go to settings, and once you're on your settings, go and select Wi-Fi. From the Wi-Fi, you look for Infinity Wi-Fi. So once you see Infinity Wi-Fi, see it, you just tap on it, and then it will open up a browser where you have to log in using your Infinity credentials. Just log in and that's it. You'll be able to connect it. You'll be able to connect and use it. And another one is the automatic connection, which is the secured connection. For that, what you need to do, go to your app store and download the Infinity app. Okay, so to do that, go to your app store and then look for Infinity. So on your Infinity, so install the application first, install the app. So once you have installed the app, when you launch it, you will be prompted to log into your Infinity account. So plug in your Infinity credentials and then hit on sign in and log into your account. Once you've logged in, click on the Wi-Fi tab here, go to your Wi-Fi tabs and then click on hotspots. When you do that here, it will prompt you to install a secure profile. Just proceed with the installation, just download it, and then if it asks you, just hit on download and download the profile. Once you've downloaded the profile, go to your settings and here you will see your profile that you just downloaded. Just tap on it and install it. Once you've installed the profile, then your iPhone will now be able to automatically detect and connect to Xfinity hotspots, and basically that's how you do it.